it's a perfect fit. I want to thank Bob's Original Fender Covers for sending this unit to protect my vehicle, because now I can work on this specific Honda Fit, and now I know that it fits. It's imported from Japan with only 50,000 miles, with a unique paint code, and these metal fenders in the front, plastic headlights protected over here, the unique front bumper and paint is all protected. Now, it does say in the description that it might not fit subcompact cars or small cars like this. All I did to make it fit was fold back the edges of each corner. So there are 3 pieces. As you can see, there's one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side, and one that goes across the middle on the windshield to protect and hold it snugly in place. So even if you work around it, it stays in place. It's made of this nice microfiber material that won't scratch your paint. Most products that I've seen are usually covered with a tablecloth like material, so it's nice to have this. So if ever I lean forward onto my vehicle to work on this car, if you've worked on these kind of Hondas before, you know how difficult it is to reach the spark plugs back here, so you're definitely reaching over your fender. And because it's protected here on the edges, it doesn't scratch. It only attaches using Velcro, so no special material needed. And you can adjust it very quickly and very easily. Even on the edges here to shorten the fenders, you've got Velcro to stick it on here. And as you can see, it's adjustable based on the width of the vehicle. I just use the Velcro here to keep it snug and in place. Now I'm not worried about anything scratching my car and the paint. So it's a really great product for any hobbyist, somebody that cares for their car and their paint and that likes to work on it. So DIYers like myself, backyard mechanics, or even regular mechanics, traditional mechanics at a shop that want to protect customers' vehicles, people who detail their cars. This is a great product for that kind of situation. And I also wanted to show you their packaging. So it's nice that it comes with this package to hold your fenders when they're not in use, because I 100% would have just thrown it into a garbage bag. But with material as nice as this, it's nice that it comes with a holder to keep it nice and snug. You can store it in your garage or your basement, and it zips up nice and tight. Fits all the fender covers in a small little package, and it even has a handle on top, so you can take these to shows, cars and coffees, when you want to show off your vehicle and have people look over the fender without scratching your car. So again, these are Bob's Original Fender Covers. If you like these style of reviews, please consider following my channel. I hope this was very helpful to you. Thank you.